Alright. So we have an Acer Aspire A515 that's coming for no power. Alright, so we have an Acer Aspire. Hey, that's an A515-51, 151515. That not powering on. We're going to check to see if it's just the battery. Thank you. Because I do believe I tested this up at the front counter. We get a charge light over there. Thank you. And we get nothing else. So let's take a look. On the bottom of this guy, we're going to have a bunch of screws. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 screws. Well, let's get them all out. You'd think, right? Having an odd number. There is a battery disconnect here. I just noticed. But we're already in the process of taking this apart. My luck, there's going to be screws underneath stuff. 4 gigs of RAM. Yep, Emily. I'm still using the same screwdriver. And this should be the hard drive. Come on. Oh no, the hard drive is missing. Alright. So let's work on getting this apart. How do you come apart? Let's see here. There we go. So we'll use this rear seam. Separate it. And this is where we'll really find out if... No more screws. There we go. I hate this motherboard design with a passion. I've worked on like multiple of these computers. I even sold one recently that had an AMD processor in it. Come on, why won't you go back in? Let's see if just unplugging it gets it up and running. No. Alright, well, we got something else going on here. Let's find out if it's the keyboard, because I think that's what this was last time, was the keyboard failed. And what we ended up having to do is the keyboard. So, keyboard failure. That's apparently causing this not to turn on. So, guy needs a new keyboard. So let's plug that back in. Yeah. The true test to find out here. What we're going to do. To unplug this keyboard entirely. And then don't know which one this is. Oh, that's true. It's closed. It won't open. I'm going to have to probe.
Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel.
See if she stays on. All right, so that's simple. So if you have one of these and it's not turning on, it's the keyboard 90% of the time, because that's the exact thing that was wrong with the other one that I was working on. So new for this thing, $50. And do not sell it to me separate. That's fine. No, I want it all together. I'm not doing the work of dry riveting this stuff into place, because it's a lot of work, Emily, for not a lot of money. All right, let's this unplugged. Get this shut down and get all these screws put back in. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/Bradenton PC Repair. If you want to learn more about my services, you can check out BradentonPCRepair.com. And if you have questions when I'm not streaming, you can get a link to our Discord down in the description below. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.